how to use alpha on Krita. This can be really about be satisfied with the thing that should be absolutely determining the process and what we're gonna say on it. So first of all, this can be really satisfied with very good situational thing that it's still to be really on the Docker as you can see. So about to add alpha channel via layer menu if missing. So you use okay, you alpha layer, where is it? So you're gonna add and then start to add alpha layer, but it doesn't okay throw this splitting or converting into alpha. So this really one of things that it should absolutely acceptable for that, or spell it alpha if you want. So after that you go for using eraser tool or transparency brushes to lower the opacity of that, or you can absolutely use the opacity lowering absolutely instead on the certain layer. Then you go for file and export it in a form of PNG in this situation, and that is all about.